This is Homelink 913, positive and negative temperatures for grade 3 everyday math. Family note. Encourage your child to use the thermometer pictured here to answer questions about thermometer scales, temperature changes, and temperature comparisons. If you have a real thermometer, try to show your child how the mercury moves up and down. Please return this Homelink to school tomorrow. Number 1. What is the coldest temperature this thermometer could show? So we look at the thermometer, okay, we look at the very bottom, and we see that the coldest temperature that this thermometer could show in both Fahrenheit and Celsius is -40. So that's what we write, -40. Number 2, what is the warmest temperature this thermometer could show? So we look at the top. Okay, the warmest temperature for Fahrenheit is going to be 220 degrees. Okay, and the warmest temperature for Celsius that's actually recorded is 100. However, we notice that it goes up a few more tick marks, and on this side of the thermometer, each of these tick marks here appear to be equal to 1, because there's 10 in between each of these, and I can see there are 10 tick marks. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like 104 degrees. Alright. What temperature is 20 degrees warmer than 20 degrees warmer than -10 degrees Celsius? So we could use the thermometer, or we could just add 20 degrees, and we would come up with a +10. Because -10 plus 20 equals +10 degrees Celsius. How much colder is -9 degrees Celsius than 9 degrees Celsius? And that will be 18, because to get to 0, we add 9, and we have to add 9 more. So 9 plus 9 is 18 degrees. Alright, and then would 30 degrees Celsius be a good temperature for swimming outside? So we can check here and see 30 degrees Celsius. Well, if we look at 30 degrees Celsius, that's about 86 or so. Yeah, that'd be a nice temperature for swimming outside. So whoops, I was gonna write it in Fahrenheit. So yes. Would it be a good temperature for sledding? Probably not, unless you're going to a special place. It would be too warm for sledding. Right? There wouldn't be any snow if it's 86 degrees outside, at least not usually. Alright, would -6 degrees Celsius be a good temperature for ice skating? So if we look -6 degrees Celsius, here's -10, here's 0, it's going to be about in here. Okay, that's going to be like 22 degrees or so. 22 degrees, sure. You could go ice skating at 22 degrees. Would it be a good temperature for inline skating? Probably not, because your skates would slip all over the ice, which would probably be outside. Okay, I mean, I suppose you could inline skate at 20 degrees, 22 degrees Fahrenheit. If there were no ice or anything, you certainly could do that, but it would be quite cold. Okay, so it would be too cold. I mean, are there ways to do it? I'm sure there are. However, it's just probably going to be quite chilly. So this is Homelink 913, positive and negative temperatures, grade 3 everyday math. That's that.